This La Crescenta home behind me was just bought a year ago for $1.1 million, and we just turned it into a $1.2 million sale. And trust me, that wasn't easy in today's market. When my client called me, the market has slowed down quite a bit compared to last year. Homes are sitting longer, there was more inventory and competition, and prices were starting to trend down. And honestly, if they had listed as is, they probably would have sold for far less than what they paid for. But their goal was $1.2 million, so I knew we had to get strategic and make this home stand out. With a $20,000 budget, we focused only on improvements that would actually move the needle. We refreshed the interior, gave the kitchen a facelift, added curb appeal, and staged the home. But not just any staging. Our staging and photography brought that trendy, magazine quality look with the east side and west side vibes. The kind of photos and looks that make buyers stop scrolling. Very different from the traditional approach in most local listings here. And the best part, we managed the whole process from start to finish so my clients never had to stress over contractors or any timelines. Now, in just 3 weeks, the transformation was complete. The listing became one of the most viewed homes online. We had 2 packed weekends of open houses, over 150 groups come through, and 6 strong offers. The final sale price, $1.2 million. That $20,000 investment turned into more than $100,000 profit and return on investment. This just goes to show the right strategy and presentation and knowing what sells makes all the difference, which is so important in today's market to be successful. I'm James Yu with Think Real Estate, so whether you're thinking about making a move or just curious how to boost your home's value, give me a call or send me a text at the number below. I'm always happy to chat.